I started a new $200,000 funded account challenge, and I'm going to use a combination of two strategies that I've been discussing and teaching lately. And it's going to be my overnight range breakout strategy, as well as the 30-minute case 4 happy trail strategy. So let's get into both strategies, and then I'm going to show you how it's been going so far. So the overnight session strategy thing, usually I like to take it down to the 5-minute chart just so I get more precise. And essentially, you just draw a box around the overnight session, and you can see when New York session ends and when London session opens right here. So we just draw a box around that from the high to the low. And if we break out on top, we go long. If we break out on bottom, we go short. Now, it doesn't work out every single day, but statistically, over time, when price breaks out of this, it usually continues in that direction for the majority of the day. But because we're doing both long and short with a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio, even if you lose one and win the other, you're still up 0.5% for the day. This trade right here was from last Wednesday's live stream. Now, the secondary strategy that we're going to be using in this, you got to switch to the 30-minute time frame, and we're using happy trail, and we're using case 4. The rest of the settings are default. And basically, anytime it prints, we're taking a long if it prints below, or we're taking a short if it prints above. And the strategy is also very simple, which is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to simplify trading for everybody. So let's say we entered a short at close of candle, stop loss just a few ticks above the top of the candle, and we're going for a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Now, we got this candle that just recently printed 2 hours ago, and we are going to enter in a long position at close of candle, stop loss a couple of ticks, and we're going for a 1 to 1.5. And I'm currently in this trade. Now, because it's a new account, I always like to test with a 0.01 lot size to see, if the contract size matches up. I don't want to over risk. I don't want to over anything on the first trade. So as you can see, and that's trading for you, ladies and gentlemen. I'll explain what just happened. But as you can see on the chart, big red candle. So right there, you see my first test trade, the 0.01. I made 83 cents in profit off a basically 80-point move. Now, today I entered in a buy, again, at like a test position at one lot. And then as it pulled back, I went into a full-size position at 5 lots. So you can see right here my trade entry, my first one at one lot. And then as it pulled back, I got into a second trade. The trade did go in my direction for quite a bit of time. I think I was at like $300 in profit. And so I moved my stop loss to break even. And because of the big candle, it closed them out. Now, even though the original stop loss was a few ticks below the low of the candle, once I got into profit, once I get to a 1-to-1 risk to reward, I like to move my stops to break even just to preserve the capital, just in case there's an aggressive pullback that I'm not, Nostradamus. So it happens, and it happened today. It would have been nice for my first video on this account to be like, oh yeah, massive profits. But trading's not like that. And you can't get upset either way. You have to stick to your strategy, and that's it. So if you want to learn about the overnight session strategy, you can check out this video right here. And if you want to learn about the 30-minute happy trail strategy, you can watch this video right here. Hopefully this was entertaining for you. If it was, drop a like, and we will see you in the next one.